Want to keep your Obsidian vault organized? In this video, we'll cover 3 basic things you'll be doing all the time: creating notes, renaming them, and deleting notes you no longer need. We'll start with creating a new note. The quickest way to create one is with a keyboard shortcut. While you're in Obsidian, press Ctrl+N on Windows. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is Command+N. Obsidian will immediately open a new note. Enter the name you want to give it, press Enter, and you can start writing. For example, let's call this note Best Note Ever. Once you press Enter, the note is ready for you to add your content. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also create a note from the File Explorer on the top left side of the Obsidian window. Just use the option to create a new note. Another option is the Command Palette, where you can search for commands such as Create New Note. So there are several ways to do the same thing. The keyboard shortcut is simply the fastest option once you get used to it. Now let's say you've created a note but you want to change its name. Open the note you want to rename and select its name at the top of the editor. You can then type the new name and press Enter. There's also a handy shortcut for this. Press F2 while the note is active. This lets you rename the current note without having to click its name first. For example, we can rename My First Note to Obsidian Notes. The name changes immediately while the content inside the note stays exactly where it is. You can also rename a note directly from the File Explorer without opening it first. This can be useful when you're organizing a larger collection of notes. Now let's look at deleting a note. If you have a note open, click More Options in the upper right corner and select Delete File. You can also use the Command Palette and search for Delete Current File. And once again, the File Explorer gives you another way to do this. You can delete a note directly from there without opening it. Before you start deleting notes, though, it's worth checking what Obsidian does with deleted files. Open Settings, go to Files and Links, and look for the option that controls where deleted files go. By default, Obsidian can send deleted files to your computer's system trash. This is the safest option if you want the ability to recover something you deleted by accident. You can also choose Obsidian Trash, which sends deleted files to a special .trash folder inside your vault. The third option is Permanently Delete. As the name suggests, the file is deleted immediately and can't be recovered through the trash. For most beginners, keeping the default system trash option is a good idea. It gives you a safety net if you accidentally remove an important note. One final thing to keep in mind is note names. Obsidian follows the file name rules of the operating system you're using. If you plan to synchronize your vault between different types of devices, it's a good idea to avoid unusual characters and file names that might not be supported everywhere. And that's everything you need to know to manage the basic notes in Obsidian. You can quickly create new notes, rename existing ones, and remove files you no longer need, while Obsidian's linking system makes renaming notes much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Obsidian guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.